What is a cobot? A cobot, short for collaborative robot, is a robot designed to work alongside humans in the same workspace, sharing tasks in a safe and complementary way. Unlike traditional industrial robots, which are typically isolated in cages or safety areas, cobots have sensors, force limiters, and detection systems that allow them to interact without posing a risk to people. The key difference between a cobot and a traditional industrial robot is safety. Older robots are incredibly fast and powerful, which is why they are isolated in a cage. Cobots, on the other hand, are slower and designed to be inherently safe. They come with integrated force and torque sensors that allow them to stop instantly if they detect even the slightest contact with a person, preventing any injury. In addition to their safety, cobots have other advantages. They are surprisingly easy to program. You don't need to be an expert. An operator can simply guide the robot's arm through the desired task. They are small, flexible, and relatively affordable, which makes them ideal for businesses of all sizes. Their applications are perfect for tasks that are monotonous, repetitive, or physically demanding for workers. Think of a cobot helping to assemble parts, packaging products, or lifting heavy objects to prevent back injuries for operators. In summary, cobots represent a new era in the industry. They shift the focus from total automation to collaboration between humans and machines, creating a future where efficiency and safety in the workplace go hand in hand.